Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling only what's required: fine mesh netting, elastic measuring tape, scissors, needle, and UV stable thread. Measure the feeder's height and circumference, then add 1 inch for seams and 2 inches for an elastic channel. This ensures a snug fit that won't sag. Cut a rectangle to those dimensions so it wraps fully with a small overlap. Next, align raw edges and pin or clip the overlap so you can sew a straight seam. Don't skip accurate measuring. Once the panel is pinned, sew the long edge with a 1/2 inch seam allowance using tight, even stitches so wind won't tear the mesh. Make sure the overlap faces outward and is reinforced with backstitching. This creates a clean closure. Fold the top edge down 1 inch to form an elastic channel and tack the ends so the elastic doesn't slip during insertion. Thread the elastic through, try it on the feeder for tension, and then securely stitch the channel closed so the cover stays in place. To finish, trim excess mesh and use a fray-preventing stitch along cut edges. Leave the feeder's ports fully exposed so birds can feed easily. Fit the cover over the feeder and check that the elastic holds the skirt snugly beneath the feeding ports. Add a small toggle or knot if it slips. If hummingbirds avoid the covered feeder, make one clear feeding window by folding mesh away from a port or slightly shortening the elastic to tighten the fit. This one troubleshooting tweak restores
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.